What is the Forex market? The term Forex is short for foreign exchange market. The Forex market is the place where different currencies are continually exchanged by millions of people all over the world. Tourists that travel from one country to another must exchange their currency to pay for local products or services. A stack of US dollars would be totally useless to an American tourist hoping to see the sights in London. They would have to exchange their dollars for the local currency, the British pound, at the existing exchange rate that day. Unlike the New York Stock Exchange or other stock markets, there's no central marketplace for foreign exchange. Instead, currency trading is conducted electronically over the counter, which means that all transactions occur via computer networks between traders around the world, rather than on one centralized exchange. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5.5 days a week. The need to exchange currencies is what has made the Forex market the largest, most liquid financial market in the world. It outperforms all other markets, trading an incredible $5.4 trillion a day. So how can you take advantage of the Forex market? It has been said that it takes 10,000 hours to become an expert at your craft. Successful Forex traders spend years studying and learning the markets. What if you could leverage the power of the Forex market without having to spend thousands of hours learning the ins and outs of Forex trading? With the FX Simplifier, you can leverage the knowledge and expertise of seasoned market experts without ever having to become an expert. The FX Simplifier is innovative and disruptive technology that allows the power of the Forex market to be harnessed in a simple and efficient way. FX Simplifier market experts identify trade opportunities whenever the market is open. And remember, the Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5.5 days a week. You might be sound asleep when a hot trade alert goes out during the London session, or in the shower when a quick swing trade presents itself during the New York session. The FX Simplifier gives you the ability to benefit from trade alerts without ever logging into your brokerage account or electronic trading platform. Even better, the FX Simplifier still allows you to manage your risk and you control your money through algorithmic technology. The FX Simplifier can also be turned on or off at any time, and you can always modify or exit a trade if you choose to. As a part of the Wealth Generators Algo Pack, you gain access to the FX Simplifier. The FX Simplifier allows you to leverage the power of tried and tested market experts and participate in a $5.4 trillion a day market. If you want to see what the FX Simplifier could have produced for you, visit to see the results.